Best bug removers safely dissolve stubborn insect residue, preventing paint damage, preserving your vehicle's finish, and making regular cleaning faster, easier, and scratch-free. My today's video is about top 5 best bug removers to protect your car paint that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at 3D Bug Remover. This bug remover is an effective solution for eliminating stubborn bug splatter, insect residue, and tree sap before they permanently damage your vehicle's finish. Its fast-acting formula quickly loosens dried contaminants, allowing you to simply spray, rinse, and wipe without aggressive scrubbing that could leave swirl marks or scratches. Safe for use on car paint, wax, and clear coats, it cleans thoroughly while helping preserve your vehicle's shine. The versatile formula also works on plastic, rubber, chrome, aluminum, glass, mirrors, and other exterior or interior surfaces, making it more than just a bug remover. Whether you're maintaining a daily driver, RV, motorcycle, boat, or semi-truck, it delivers consistent cleaning performance with minimal effort. By breaking down stubborn buildup quickly, it reduces cleaning time and restores a fresh, spotless appearance. Overall, it's a reliable, convenient cleaner that makes routine vehicle maintenance easier while helping protect your investment from long-term surface damage. Now our second product is Pandas Professional Detail Products Bug Off Insect Remover. Bug Off delivers professional-grade performance by quickly dissolving stubborn bug splatter before it can permanently damage your vehicle's finish. Its industrial-strength formula penetrates baked-on insect residue on grills, bumpers, paint, and trim, making cleanup fast and effortless. Simply spray the affected area, allow the product to work for about a minute, and rinse away, eliminating the need for aggressive scrubbing that can create swirl marks. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to neutralize the acidic residue left by insects, helping prevent clear coat etching, discoloration, and long-term paint deterioration. Despite its powerful cleaning action, the formula remains safe for painted surfaces, chrome, plastic, and glass without stripping waxes, sealants, or protective coatings. As part of the trusted Pandas Double Black collection, Bug Off is a favorite among professional detailers and automotive enthusiasts. Whether after a long road trip or daily commuting, it keeps your vehicle cleaner, better protected, and looking freshly detailed with minimal effort. Our third product is Wizard's Bug Release All-Surface Bug Remover. Wizard's Bug Release is a highly effective bug remover designed to eliminate stubborn insect residue while protecting your vehicle's finish. Its specialized formula softens and neutralizes the acidic proteins found in bug splatter, preventing paint damage and allowing residue to lift away safely without harsh scrubbing. Unlike many strong cleaners, it won't strip existing wax, making it ideal for regular maintenance. The versatile formula works equally well as a quick spot cleaner for mirrors, grills, and trim, or as a pre-soak before a full vehicle wash, significantly reducing cleaning time. Safe for cars, trucks, motorcycles, campers, boats, and even aircraft, it performs reliably on paint, chrome, glass, ceramic coatings, and most plastic surfaces. The petroleum-free formula provides powerful cleaning while remaining gentle on delicate finishes. Backed by Wizard's satisfaction policy, this cleaner offers confidence along with excellent performance. Overall, it's a dependable, easy-to-use solution for keeping your vehicle spotless while helping preserve its appearance and protective coatings. Now number 4, Chemical Guise Bug and Tar Remover. This Chemical Guise Bug Remover is an excellent pre-wash solution for removing stubborn bug splatter, tar, and road grime before they damage your vehicle's finish. Its fast-acting formula quickly loosens baked-on residue, reducing the need for heavy scrubbing that can create swirl marks or fine scratches. Whether used in a traditional wash bucket or a foam cannon, it provides even coverage, rinses clean, and leaves no streaks or unwanted residue behind. Safe for paint, glass, chrome, plastic, headlights, bumpers, grills, and other exterior surfaces, it cleans effectively without compromising protective finishes. It's particularly valuable after long highway trips or summer driving when insect buildup is at its worst. By removing bonded contaminants before washing, it helps make the entire cleaning process safer and more efficient while preserving your vehicle's appearance. Overall, this cleaner combines ease of use, versatile application, and reliable performance, making it a smart addition to any car care routine for maintaining a spotless, well-protected exterior. And our last choice is Exoforma Bug Remover. This bug remover stands out with its fast-acting, enzyme-based formula that quickly breaks down stubborn insect splatter and the protein-rich residue that often sticks to your vehicle surface. Instead of relying on harsh chemicals or excessive scrubbing, it dissolves tough stains with minimal effort, helping protect your paint from scratches during washing. The cleaner is safe for use on multiple exterior surfaces, including paint, plastic, metal, aluminum, and glass, making it a versatile addition to any car care routine. Application is simple. Spray it onto a wet surface, allow it to dwell for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse away the loosened residue. For heavier buildup, a light agitation is all that's needed. It's especially useful for drivers who frequently travel on highways where bug accumulation is common. Manufactured in the USA and backed by Satisfaction Guarantee, this product delivers dependable cleaning performance while making routine vehicle maintenance faster, easier, and safer for your car's exterior finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.